ఢిల్లీ వచ్చింది. దాని తర్వాత మా డాడీ బర్త్డే అనేసి మేము ఢిల్లీ వెళ్ళాము. మేము చక్కగా బయటికి కూడా తిరగడానికి వెళ్ళాము. వీ వర్ సో హ్యాపీ కపుల్ at that particular point, and we were at that particular point we were trying to get a family together. And we were trying to expand our family, do the marriage things. And June వచ్చేసరికి ఇంకా I was supposed to be in a state where I could work from home freely, and I was moving back to Delhi. And at that particular point, when I went back to Delhi, she said ki Ashadha Masam etc. and I would move back to my home. So shall we go on a trip? I said definitely yes. We went on a trip before weekend itself, a short trip, one nighter. And then the second time we were like, okay, now let's have a 3-day trip. It was my birthday as well. So we started on 13th from Delhi to Rishikesh. It was quite late, so we could not do anything on that day. Then we on 14th we did a few activities. Initially we went to Ganga, we sprinkled some water, did some namaste, and we had a breakfast, and then we went to river rafting. Post that she requested that we go for bungee jumping, and we went for bungee jumping as well. And post that we had some food in some cafe, and then we started to move back to Mussoorie. And as soon as we reached Mussoorie at somewhere around 11:30 at night on 14th of June, and we stayed there the night. We slept at around 3:30 or something, and when I woke up she was lying on me with blood in her nose, and that was somewhere around 6:30 in the morning, 15th May, so it's 15th June. And as soon as I checked her out, I checked her up that if she's fine, but she was not responding. So I flipped her over, sat her up, and tried to wake her up by hitting on her back or something like that, rubbed her back etc. And there was no motion in her. And as soon as I tried to grab her up, she started slipping off the bed and she fell down. And I again checked down if there was any motion kind of, and I tried calling ambulance as such. And as soon as I tried calling ambulance and police as well, because ambulance number was not responding. And I tried calling, I started shouting for that matter. I shouted so loud, the hotel staff came up, and they also tried calling the ambulance. And as soon as the ambulance person came, he tried giving CPR to her, but it was of no use, and it was declared not well. And it was declared that she was dead. So initially when the ambulance guy came as well, I was along with him the home guard also came over there, and I did not allow the home guard to enter the premises. Ambulance guy is a paramedic, he has all the rights to, but a home guard was not allowed by me to enter inside because I had to cover her up. So I first covered her up, and only then the ambulance guy and home guard entered inside, and they did all the ambulance guy did the CPR part. The home guard stayed inside for a while, and then all of us had to come out. And then the senior police officials along with their forensic team, field forensic team came down. They took my statement, and then they analyzed the entire surroundings, and they took all the samples etc. Post that as per the procedure everything has went up. I had informed my parents, their parents, and their parents came up, my parents came up as well, and the next day postmortem and everything happened, but we are still waiting for the reports etc. And the reports have to come for us to understand what the cause of death was, and that is along with that the rest of the entire summary of the case will be coming to you guys. It will be public very soon, as soon as the government of Uttarakhand, the police of Uttarakhand will avail that. And that is everything that I can provide to you right now. Is there anything else that you would